Friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration settings Samsung phone. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we off dial pad tone setting in our Samsung phone. Guys you want to off guys your dial pad tone settings so friends you can off, and friends now let's see how to off dial pad tone in our Samsung phone guys. So first of all guys open your phone setting. I scroll it. Sound and vibration setting friends click here. Again scroll guys. First you can see system sound and vibration control setting is tap here. Friends you can see your dialing keypad means your dial pad tone guys you can off from this right side guys. So we will click on this option. Friends you can see your dial pad setting. Friends if you enter any numbers, so friends you can see this sound will not work in our Samsung phone guys. So like that guys you can off your dial pad tone in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.